Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 10:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, June 19, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. There's a Twitter link below if you'd like to get access to all of the Twitters I do throughout the day. In between these videos, click on subscribe to the channel. You'll be up to date on all of the videos that I put out. And if you click the bell, you'll be pinged to let you know that a video popped out so that you can watch it. Of course, so long as you're not going to get in trouble and you're not at work. Anyway, let's move forward. My total iExec allocation, I am 100% in at $5. This is what I bought it at. This is not the price it is right now. It's lower than that. So let's go take a look at what's going on. Going straight into the markets now. Some sort of exciting stuff just happening yesterday, and we're going to go through that on a different currency pair. But let's look at RLC US dollar. We are still over that red line, but more importantly, we are over the yellow line. The yellow line is the thing that will be the point at which I can say at the end of the year, if it stays in this trajectory, that at $14 will be the target. So I still have that as my target. And I am still staying strong with that. The trend is your friend until it's not. There could be a lower end target, which would be the $9 range, which would, if this was to follow the green line projection. But still, we're over at least the yellow line, and that's more important than being over the green line, in my view. Now, if we drill down a little bit further, we bounced off of this in the afternoon, early afternoon, and now we are roughly around 360 on the RLC US dollar pair. Now let's go through the two underlying areas that I look at when I look at RLC US dollar, because it's US dollar is my local currency. So I have to look at the Bitcoin relative to the US dollar, and then I multiply that by the universal strength of RLC, because we compare that to Bitcoin. So let's take a look at what's going on in the markets for RLC Bitcoin. Now, some interesting bullishness action here, but we kind of stopped short of going where I want to go. But let's just take a look at what's going on here. So apparently last night around 10 or so, we actually broke through this resistance area pretty sharply, came back down, and then made another move. We almost went past the 10,500 point, which would have been very bullish at that point in time. However, we did pull back, so look, it's a bullish aspect here. So if I zoom out here and we were to look at, where this started back in May. It's been a month in the making, but I think we could be potentially in for a reversal here. So we'll have to watch, wait and see. I'm not sure that we're going to see much this weekend. It feels like sort of a boring weekend, to be quite frank, when it comes to the crypto space, but this could be an exciting moment in terms of where we might wind up with RLC by sometime next week. But we'll keep monitoring this, and like I said, if you're on Twitter and you subscribe to my Twitter thing, then you'll be able to see all of what's going on while you're outside having a barbecue, and you get dinged by me. You'll know something's going on. Anyway, that's pretty much all I've got right now. We still don't have the video in English related to that iExec CEO video. I hit them up. I also check it out online. Unfortunately, nothing there yet, but I'm sure there will be one. Bitcoin, by the way, is doing pretty well. We're over this long-term, since March 2020, green line of support, and we're around 36,000. Just so everyone knows what happened overnight, we were down to 34 and change. So we're back over the green line. I feel comfortable a little bit more than I did yesterday with Bitcoin, but I feel really comfortable, and actually I feel excited, I should say, more excited than I was yesterday on the RLC Bitcoin pair. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good weekend, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.